For this review of the Kenwood microwave combination oven, GTAL17A, I've enlisted the help of my son Elijah and Charlie the dog. As you can see, it's quite a discreet, sleek, stylish looking microwave in a sort of almost brushed satin finish. It has very little controls on the front, mainly a glass panel with the controls behind. It does have 5 buttons, which are the auto reheat, defrost, clock preset, stop and start. I find with the stop button, as it's the same size, shape and colour as the other 4 buttons, it can quite easily be mistaken as perhaps a start button. The door opening button is at the bottom on the right. That's just a press button which has degraded a bit over time, and it's a little bit awkward to open the door now. But on opening the door you can see the other controls and of course the inside of the microwave. The controls here you can see is the microwave button, the grill combination button, and the wheel for the time adjustment, the weight adjustment and the menu settings. Dad, but what about the functions? The functions this microwave has is a quick start, which is just by pressing start, and it goes up in 30-second increments. Also has a child lock, which if you press the stop button for 3 seconds and hold it, there should be a beep which basically locks all the controls when the door's shut. Also press it again for 3 seconds and it takes the child lock off. There's a grill function, a defrost function, the standard cook function, and 2-stage defrost and cook, where it's you press the timer in for defrost. It also then can continue to cook after the defrost. And there's a delay start function as well, which you can set for an hour and a half time. You set the power, you set the time you want it to cook for, and in an hour and a half or whatever time you decide for the delay, it'll start cooking. The volume of the microwave is actually quite small. It only really fits a plate of about 250mm diameter. It doesn't actually fit our larger plates which we use for dinner. So for reheating it can be a bit of a pain. Press. Using this microwave is simple, so I've let my son demonstrate just how easy it is. So press it start, it goes up to 30 seconds, then a minute and a half, etc. Press stop, it will just stop the microwave, it won't reset the time. You can obviously carry on with the start if the cooking if you want to. Press stop twice to cancel. This microwave is easier to work with than children or animals.